Alright guys, let's see if I can keep this piece of crap camera running. I missed a lot of digs because the camera wouldn't work. It's disappointing. See a ton of clad. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23 quarters. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 20, 22, 23, whoops. 29 dimes. 16 nickels and a crap ton of pennies. Just never ending pennies. I don't know, probably 100 or more. This is three days of hunts. So it's not all one hunt. Most of this was yesterday in the club hunt though. Most of the clad anyways. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 wheat pennies, so that's nice. Alright, same old spot till tomorrow. I got my truck fixed, so it is what it is today. I got my first wheat penny. I've dug about 4 targets. This is my 4th. Horrible signal. Would never even be able to tell it was a coin. But it was over 49, bouncing around. Alright, alright, another Wheatie. Looks like a 1942. Alright, I'm not sure. I think this is my 3rd Wheatie. It's an old one. 1916, looks like. It's like the second 1916 I've got here. Nice. Alright. Looks like you're not seeing this too well. I got a wheat penny there. And wheat penny number 2. Just following the edge of the sidewalk. You can't really see it. I had got this nice buckle. Oh, his camera died, of course. I don't know how far I got, but it's got a movable part there. Nice buckle. I can bend it pretty easily, so I'll get that back in shape. Square, plain, 1800s probably. Alright. When I was cleaning it, this actually fell off, and I'm not sure I put it back on right in order for it to make sense. But I put it back on. It was almost bent in half. I mean, this thing's real flexible. This buckle is just flexible. It's weird. See, I got this nice handle. Almost looks silver. Try again. This camera sucks. Keeps locking up on me. So I got this strange looking silvery handle looking thing. It's got some weight. I can't imagine somebody would make a handle out of silver. Got a garden stone. There's some jewelry. Got a knitting needle. First for that. Never gotten one of those. Right here, the big round thing, there's a date on it. It says 18 and something. And what it is it's a stove damper. So that's pretty cool. Old iron toy gun. What's left of it. Trigger. Spoon. And another spoon. I believe I got the matching, maybe even 2 matching pieces to this at home. Chunk of something. I was hoping it was gold, but don't think so. Very nice elk-like button or pin, I'm not sure. It's got like a chain link on the back hooked onto the shank. I like it though. It was really deep. I don't think this was the original signal either. I think the original signal, if I remember right, was just a piece of metal. And then I pulled that and then rescanned the hole, and then it was getting something else even deeper. So, all right, nightmare trying to get this camera working. I haven't used it a lot today. I just got something really cool. Took me a while staring at it. I don't know what it is. If it's a button, but it's a deer head of some sort, maybe an elk or something. It's awesome. It's about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bigger. Now the back's all got dirt on it, and there's a little metal hanging out, so I don't want to do that here. I'll do that. I'll clean it up at home, find out what it is. It's cool. We've got a few cool things out of here today. I went in and there it was. This ring, I thought this was gold, of course. Got that today. Let's see, I got this so deep I thought a Chinaman had dug it and dropped it. I thought a Chinaman dropped it. It took me a long time to figure out what it was, and it's a dog. Got little jewels everywhere. His eyeballs are made of jewels, and the back looks silver, but I'm sure this is just a pewter dog. And I got that. This side looks silver. This side don't. Could be though. Obviously the coloring is not, but that little center guy. And for some reason it's split like that. I don't know what that is. Never seen anything like it. Alright, I believe I got some old jewelry here. I've gotten a lot of old jewelry here so far. Right here. Looks like something you may be able to open. Maybe religious. This might be silver too. On the back anyways. Not sure what it is. Kind of heart-shaped. I like it. Whatever it is, I like it. I like it a lot. Definitely a figure right there, like somebody popping right out of there. I don't know what. I did get a piece dated, just junk, 1863, somewhere in there. I'll bring that in and show it later, but this spot's got some age, that's for sure. Oh, let's see. I got this FFA pin. Future Farmers of America. See, these go online for quite a bit of money. Of course, they're not in this bad of shape, but like $14 for this. I don't sell my finds anyway, so. Got some more of this. Goes along with another piece I got earlier in the month, I believe. It was in the same yard, so. Alright, I got some other fancy stuff. I got some fancy stuff like this last week, so this might go to it. I'm not too far from where I got the other. I'll try to put it together with the other. It's getting bigger. The other piece was about this size too. I like it. It's really fancy. It's old. It's probably Victorian. So, alright. Got a Schwinn tag. It says Schwinn quality with a number on it. Another button. I don't know if this is upside down or not. I don't know what side. Oh, like this it should go, actually. The back. Alright, so no silver, no gold. Besides, you know, some things that look a little silver and gold, but of course you can't go by looks. Trying to think if there's anything else. Pottery. It's a nice plate at one time. I got that. This is like the end of a handle end of maybe a shovel or a hoe or something like that. Let's see. I guess that's it. I really am not finding anything good. Harmonica reed. Key. So I'm off tomorrow too. I'll try again. I'm just so far behind on this that I didn't want to get another day behind and make this pile even bigger. So we'll see. I tried to water hunt today, and the ground or the waves were ridiculous high. I mean, I couldn't even hold my detector still and pinpoint anything. The water's really high, and the wind must have been blowing, I don't know, 50, 60 miles an hour. And but the water was warm. It was unbelievable how warm the water was. I mean, it looks freezing, but it sure warmed up. So, come on, man, that should have been gold. Dang it. It was a pull tab signal. Seen it in there. Got the camera out, and the camera wouldn't work. So, you missed my excitement. I was very excited, and then you missed the pulling it out and my disappointment. So, am I missing or forgetting anything? I don't think so.